Sed Manzano. Forward number 3, the Iron Claw, Mike Cañete. At guard number 12, your very own from Barangay San Roque, Mix Pascual.
First game of our Monday triple hitter to begin the brand new month of June. Quezon Huskers in white, Sarangani in red. The tip going to the side of the 7-0 Quezon Huskers.
I like the backward tandem of Quezon, which they have Judel Fuentes and Cyrus Dabi.
Lagtag mo pa dyan. Man in the middle, Sed Manzano.
Yes,
Start, Coach Vic. They were leading 19-4.
Yeah, it was a very good start by the Quezon Huskers. And yeah, actually, tama ka doon, Ken. Sabi mo nga, hindi napapansin. But they are 7-0 here in this season. So, dahan-dahan, hindi sila napapansin. Pero actually, contender sila dito.
Dalawang sunod-sunod na basket galing kay Sed Manzano. Yung pinag-uusapan natin off there, Coach Vic, na siya nga yung bago nilang players. Halo-halo, meron yung mga veterans like Wilma Caloni, Chris Lalata, Cyrus Dabi, who came from Pasay, as Lars Sunga will score. First basket yan para sa Sarangani. And then you have the collegiate guys like Sed Manzano, Jolo Manansala. And, you know, what do you make of this roster moving forward? They have looming matchups later this month against, kung nagkaamali, Abra. Did not take the shot, they swing it. Mike Cañete with a better look, and he knocks down a 3 from the left corner. One and done for Sarangani. Hierro, bounce pass inside, easy pickings underneath for Sed Manzano. It's brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. They skip it though. Diego Dario, he misses, but there to clean it up is their leading rebounder this season, Chris Lalata. Was their leading scorer that season. You can see John Abate. Meanwhile, Ivan Ludovice soars and scores.
Kanina nabanggit natin, no? You were talking about it. Nagpalit nga, 9 new players from the Quezon Huskers National University and College. So, sobrang ganda ng attitude, sobrang sipag ng batang yan. And he's really, I think he's going to be a very good coach.
Dayo tumanggap. John Abate, one dribble, three-point shot is good. John Abate, slowly but surely finding his rhythm for Quezon, Coach Vic.
Yes, this Quezon Huskers really making their living here in the three-point area. Converting, I think they have converted already 4 in this ball game.
Nakaagaw pa sila dito. Christian Pagaran, lockout. He will slam it home.
Ganda eh. Pagka maluwag.
Fast break in the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book.
President of the WMPBL and also a businessman. But in this journey of Sarangani against an undefeated team, they hope to limit Quezon to at least
in rebounding for the Huskers. Oh, what a pass inside. Sunga, but the recovery by Cañete. Sunga na igapang paloob yung kanyang tira on the second effort.
Good defensive rebound. And the putback.
Tabi. Pating backdoor, Cañete, one-hander, wala. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola, rising up to the other side for 2.
Parang ano lang eh, parang scrimmage lang. Ganun sila ka-accurate dito.
Shooting above 50% from the field, the Quezon Huskers. From Barangay San Roque, Cainta Rizal. Lista mo na yan, galing kay Mix Pascual.
Galing mismo sa barangay nila yung tira na yon. Malayo yon, ha?
Mga ilang lakad dito sa court natin. 21-12. Make that 23-12. Scoring for Quezon in this quarter. Sed Manzano with another inside incursion. Opiso. That's what he does best. Those baseline mid-range jumpers. Sa loob, Mintis. Nakuha pa rin na yung bola. Manzano will score underneath once more. of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Pero kapag they have laid out the last 3 years for their squad as Judel Fuentes with a turnaround jumper making it look easy.
Yeah, tama ka naman doon. Kudos to Coach Eric Gonzalez and his coaching staff. Kita mo naman coaching staff niya. Sobrang puro veterano na rin. They just check sino talaga yung magkiklik dun sa system nila, building this team, getting those young guys. Kasi sabi nga natin in all sports, iba na yung bata eh.
Sa lahat ng mga players na ganun kagaling. Pero yun nga if you have people like they have that have bought in. But let's look first at this move. Ganda nito, no?
Yeah, that was a very good drive.
Leland Estacio.
Yan lang yon for it to be successful.
Past the halfway point of the third quarter. Estacio, hirap na tira yun, ha?
Medyo
Sa ilalim.
umiinit na dito si Estacio. Back-to-back baskets by Estacio.
Between the legs, Fuentes, sudden change of pace. Pasa ito Peng Lagrama to the post. Opiso, balik kay Fuentes.
Lista mo na.
Fuentes still on the floor. He's the only guy who's averaging over 20 minutes. Pero a little over 20 minutes nga lang as offensive efficiency in the league. Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to clear. Or visit www.sportsplus.ph. Ganda ng pasa dito.
Tingnan mo yan, no?
Diba? Yung pinakamaliit pa, yung kumat sa ilalim. Topeng Lagrama with the deuce. Ken Pangilinan, Coach Vic Icasiano, Lampi Cristobal ang yung mga kasama. Third quarter, so na talagang namayagpag ang Quezon 18-7. John Abate from the corner hits the free.
Will be achieved halfway this year. First, ay sana nga daw makakuha sila ng national championship this year, and second is to snatch also that Rookie of the Year award. Though in terms of minutes,
Mayroon kang linulook forward.
Tama. Live the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Gusto pumoste si Diego Dario, kanyang susubukan. Pinasa na lang niya sa labas. Lock up sa 3. Pasok yan.
Now lock up.
Galiano. Pass to the outside. Lars Sunga. In and out dribble. Off the glass. Lays it in.
That's the seventh point of Sunga.
Piso, balik kay Diego Dario. Crossover. Dario can't finish. Gravera tried to stick it back in. Third effort is there for Rodel Gravera.
Talagang dinodominate na dito ng Quezon Huskers yung rebounding. Ang layo na ng difference ng rebounding nila for today's game.
DJ Tal. Galiano again at the post. Face up jumper over Diego Dario. It's off. Abate with the rebound. Quezon taking their time. Cruising along. Brian Lockup. Sneaks in. The layup is good for Brian Lockup. 76-47. Patingin ko lang, Coach Vic, nanonood sa atin. Lagi naman to napakasipag. Si Coach Mike Perez.
Sabi na eh. Magandang hapon, Coach Mike.
Paggabi naman na.
Ano oras na ba? Di ba? 5-something pa eh. 5:40. So magandang hapon, Coach Mike.
Si
Jake Figueroa, 5 years din.
Yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin last Friday, nakita ko yung post ni Nashi. Desoyo with a long 2-pointer. Nakita ko yung
Coach John Calios a reminder that there will always be a person or even some people who will believe in you in whichever season you are in.
Tunga, pumersa sa ilalim. Rebound na ko ni Cholo. Manansala! Nabitin!
Nag-alangan dun si Cholo. Kala ko nga, idadunk ni Cholo eh.
Parang nagulat yata siya, biglang wala na siyang bantay.
Wala siyang bantay eh. Biglang nawala eh.
Got thrown off. Jake Otario comes away with a steal. Great pass. Manansala will throw it down. Pero yung mga bagong muka sa kanilang team, Ryan Lakap, another triple. How do you see them matching up against the contenders like Ambra? They will be facing later on this month. Batangas City. Meron pa silang Caloocan at Satuan. Cravera with the lefty throwdown.
Parang ang dali nung pagkakagawa ni Cravera. What you were talking about, I think they could match up properly because you could see yung ano nila eh, yung I could see the ball movement, yung team nila. Right now they're one team. They know what they're doing. They know where their teammates are. They're doing good not only on offense but also in defense. That's why I think they could really match up with those the contenders here in the MTPL.
Cravera Mintes. Matakbo si CJ Tan. Tries another three and he hits it. Back-to-back triples from CJ Tan.
Medyo late na when he started connecting.
Ganda pala ng bitaw nito, no? CJ Tan, 16 points. Lagrama, creating separation. His free is good as well. So that's something to look out for para sa mga Quezonians na masugid na taga-subaybay ng Quezon Huskers. They will pick up this victory against the Sarangani squad who